Welcome back to another Walmart grocery haul. I have several things to share with you guys, so let's get started. Got some grapes, 2% milk, chocolate milk, got an iced coffee drink, got some cabbage, a 5-pound bag of potatoes, candy canes, the cherry rainbow ones, some finely shredded Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese, 2 cans of the flaky biscuits for breakfast. Got bologna for sandwiches. Got some cheddar smoked sausages. Those are good on buns, fried up with breakfast. All kinds of different ways you can eat those. They're pretty good. Got some original bacon. Got a seasonal fruit tray, and this was marked down to $3.23. So you have honeydew, mango, grapes, pineapple, and cantaloupe in there. It's a pretty good deal for $3.23. Picked up some more canned foods. I got a can of the corned beef hash and the country sausage gravy. These are for breakfast. I got green beans, sliced carrots, sweet peas, and sweet potatoes to add to the cabinet for veggie sides. I got a KC Masterpiece Marinade, the classic steakhouse. I was out of that. I got a canola oil. I was out of that. Mustard, mayo. I'm making deviled eggs for a dinner, so I need more of that. I needed some of this imitation vanilla flavoring for a video. Got another box of the tuna cheesy pasta. I got a 3 cheese scallop potatoes. I wanted to try this one. I got the Steakhouse Bacon and Ranch red potatoes. I'm excited to try that one. We're having spaghetti one night, so I got the Pot Perfect spaghetti and 2 Prego flavored with meat sauces. We really enjoy this sauce. Some more freezer kind of style stuff. I have whipped topping. I am making a dessert for a dinner. Texas toast for spaghetti. We got a stuffed crust chicken bacon ranch pizza. Quick and easy dinner idea. Super good. The kids even love it. So we got southern hash browns. These are for breakfast, or these will if you like fried potatoes. It's a quick easy substitute. If you don't want to peel taters or pinch on time, they fry up really quickly. We got a Prairie Fresh Italian style pork loin fillet. Got a chuck roast, and I got a boneless pork loin roast. I've really been loving the Crockpot meals lately, so I got 3 more Crockpot meals, and I got 2 ground beefs for some stuff I'm making. Before moving on to snacks, I got a Lemon Supreme moist cake mix, and this is for the lemon Cool Whip cookies. I will share the links to the In the Kitchen playlist in the description box if you guys are interested. There's over 50 recipes that I have done on my channel, so check it out. Keep you busy all winter season. Lots of recipes. Snacky stuff. We got some bite-sized tortilla chips, salsa con queso cheese dip. Love this. Also, other snacky stuff. We like to snack on crackers, so we got some bacon cheese Ritz crackers. Some of these Oreo handy snacks. They're like little Oreo dipper things. And I got the Ritz cheesy cracker dips, or the crackers and cheesy dip. Quick, easy on the go. I like to throw these in my purse when I go to church, car rides, things like that. Very quick kind of snacky thing for the car. So anyways, snacks. And we're going to try these Kool-Aid Sour Jammers. This is the green apple one. So yes, that is my grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Got several more meals. Stocked up the cabinets a little bit. Was out of snacky kind of things. Got more fresh fruit and milk. And a bag that was forgot in the chair. A loaf of bread. And a 3 Musketeer candy bar birthday cake. So this is a new one, so I can't wait to try that. And yes, that was the haul. So stay tuned for more grocery hauls and more in the kitchen recipes. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of those upcoming videos. And thank you guys always for watching.